Bell. So few things make so many different things. Simplicity is innovation. Just like this very, very good quesarito. Simple, using all the ingredients they have to make something new. How did I even begin to compare airsoft to Taco Bell? Put it quite simply, we can't. Innovation leaves behind many different people. We have Tokyo Marui compatibility, whatever that means anymore. Everyone has a style. Everyone has a signature. Let's just say that. Tokyo Marui, all they have is age and innovation. Giving something, a base plate, if you will, to give to everyone else. Like this. TM, made in Tokyo. What is it, though? Yes, a fully licensed Glock. Fucking illegal as all hell, right? Another thing, they suck. Yeah, I bought it knowing it was broken. But come on, how much can you fuck up? Oh wait, they're only meant for the Japanese. Us Americans can't have anything nice. We would break in an instant. Yeah, I really just threw a Tokyo Marui Glock. Sue me. But maybe they're the cancer? This? Nah. Pink camo ain't a cancer, right? Well, fuck it too. We're gonna talk about why airsoft is fucked and it's everybody's fault. From yours, to me, to the gun company, to the people in Japan, to YouTube reviewers. Yeah, everyone's at fault. No one is safe. It's time to lay down the BS in the airsoft company. My name is Apex and welcome to why everyone's fucked in the airsoft industry. Welcome. Okay, start out this. This is all ad-libbed from my experience in the airsoft community for over 10 years. I am part of many different private groups, and hashtag Facebook has a lot of them. Yeah, insider info, man. So let's go. Let's dive deep. And yes, that really was a Tokyo Marui Glock that I just threw. Hashtag, you should all kill me. Thank you. I will appreciate it if you kill me. But, anyway. The reason why I wanted to talk about Taco Bell in the beginning is, one, they're a fucking amazing company. Hashtag not sponsored, but I like their food. Basic ingredients all throughout the board, but yet they can put anything together and be edible, and everyone might like it. Why do I compare airsoft to Taco Bell? Quite frankly, they do it better than airsoft. Simplicity is the key in airsoft. Compatibility is another big fucking key. If I can't put two things together in airsoft of the same type of gun, fuck you. And that's what I want to get to the point. Tokyo Marui. They're the godfathers of AEGs. Version 1 gearboxes, yeah, that's a thing. Version gearboxes are actually really the first versions. And guess what number 1 was? The FAMAS. Yes, version 1 gearboxes were in the FAMAS. V2, M4, V3, AKs, and so on and so forth. Depending on how you look at it, / all that. And we can't really talk about airsoft without talking about Tokyo Marui. They stood the test of time, let's just say that. There are a lot of other classic guns and stuff, and that's more of like not my territory. You would have to talk to a historian in a Facebook group about how it happened. And a lot of guns were actually HPA powered or like air powered. Yeah, that's surprising even more. HPA Master Race? Gets you thinking, right? And it gets you thinking about cycles. When Tokyo Marui came around, they built it in AEG. And they coined the term AEG, Automatic Electric Gun. And that got me thinking, why go to batteries when HPA was a thing? And I don't know the full story, but I'm like, wow. And then like air cockers and whatnot, you know what I mean. But I really didn't understand it. If the system was already designed that actually works good, why mess with it? That's called innovation. You mess with things, something sticks to the wall. Take a wet piece of spaghetti, if it sticks to the wall, it's done. But that got me thinking, how in the world did something in Japan become so trendy it became cloned to oblivion and made in the US? And yes, I really do have a script. This is like a lot of information to digest, and this is why it's going to be a long video series. The beginning, TM, Maruzen, Marushin. 3 big companies that are still around today. If you look in Evike's thing, it's saying, is TM compatible? It's basically saying it's a clone that uses TM style designs. Not true. Most of them are either improved designs for their own way of making it, and with trade secrets and whatnot, it really, that's what it comes down to. The newer designs hit the market in the US, because this is basically all USA based. Other people, it's different guns that are their standard and stuff, and that's why more of it sells over there more than it does over here. In the US, M4s and AKs are main, but if you went over to Europe, there's is AK and AUGs. Yeah, so airsoft is actually marketing. That's another thing, marketing. But gas in the beginning, gas in the end. That's the way it's looking right now. They had gas, then they had AEG, and then like the market in the US went to AEG, and then we're realizing gas is way better, cheaper depending on where you live, and it's more reliable and less work. A gearbox is a fucking nightmare. Give me a sec. This is a G&G gearbox shell with the wiring still installed. Pretty barren, right? Till you realize if something goes wrong, you're going to have to open it. So then you're going to have to take the motor and the butt stock off. Motor. And this is basically a 1.5 gearboxes in here. So, where do I begin? I really don't. There's nowhere to begin, because all in the end, it's just going to keep going in cycles. Now, Polar Star. They're very good.